Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So I decided to do a haul video. We just left Hobby Lobby and we're waiting on our lunch. And so, you know what? Hobby Lobby was packed. So much for a bad economy. You hardly know it in Texas. Okay, so let me show you what I got. Some of the things that I got. I went to the jewelry department and they do have some really great deals in jewelry, and I went ahead and got some beads, and I got some spacers, and the stuff that I'm showing you is half off. And I got some cutesies. See, look at that. Isn't that the cutest thing? And I got 2 of them. And I got some of these. And I got some of these. And I'm going to experiment. I saw Stacy Stace do a video with some, she was using 20 gauge wire on some ornaments she was making, so I want to go ahead and experiment. And I don't think this was on sale, so I just chose the cheapest one because these are not cheap. This thingamajig, it was $4. Okay, and the other thing that I got that was not cheap. Oh, here's another one that I got. Look at this. Isn't this pretty? Okay. Another thing that I got was this right here. Has anybody ever used this? Because you know what? I am so tired, and it does hurt my fingers now, and it's hard for me to see working on doing the loop-de-loop, and so I'm going to go ahead and try this. And this was $24, and it's patented.